In this video, first I will tell a very interesting thing. How you will remember these 7 difficult formulas. First remember the formulas, then go to solve the problems. Otherwise, every time you will face trouble. Look at here. Suppose the dx is not there, and you put 1 in place of a square. It is 1 plus x square. It is 1 by x square minus 1. It is 1 by 1 minus x square. It is 1 by x square plus 1 root over. It is 1 by x square minus 1 root over. It is 1 by 1 minus x square root over. It is 1 by x into x square minus 1 root over. Now look at me. Among which 7 things which gives you a formula in derivative? Is there any formula of 1 by 1 plus x square? Is 1 by 1 plus x square derivative of anything? You will tell, yes sir, it is the derivative of tan inverse. So write it here, tan inverse. Here it is the formula. Is it the formula of any? Is it the derivative of anything? No. So it cancels. Is it the formula of 1 by 1 minus x square? Is it a derivative of anything? No. 1 by x square plus 1? No. 1 by x square minus 1? No. Here 1 by 1 minus x square root over. It is derivative of what? Sine inverse. So write sine inverse. Now tell me, it is the formula of sine inverse. Now tell me, is it formula of anything? Yes, it is the formula of what? Sec inverse. So write sec inverse. Every time you have to write x by a, x by a, x by a. Very interesting thing is that in either there is 1 by a or 1 by 2a. In any either 1 by a or 1 by 2a should be there in this formula. 1 by a, 1 by 2a, 1 by a, 1 by 2a. I will tell what either 1 by a will be there or 1 by 2a. Right, 1 by a, 1 by a, 1 by 2a. Okay. Remember, if only root till a foot, no one will be there. No one will be there. No one will be there. Root, only root till a foot. 1 by a ki 1 by a, कोई भी नहीं रहेगा वहाँ. So now remember what will happen if among these 4 things, it is x square minus a square, it is a square minus x square. In these 2 cases, we will keep 1 by 2a. What will be there? 1 by 2a. And look at, this is a special one because among these 3, these are minus and this is plus. This is special. And this is a special one because one variable, another root over is there. So this is special one. So we have to put 1 by a here. 1 by a, 1 by a. Remember, I am telling repeatedly, listen this thing. What is this now? Now it is sine inverse x by a, it is tan inverse x by a, it is 1 by a sec inverse x by a, it is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c, plus c, plus c. माता पिता का 7 लड़की थे, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, तीनों के शादी हो गया और उन्होंने चला गया अपने ससुराल. ओके, बाकी जो 4 बच्चे उनका क्या होगा? पापा, उसका जो फादर मदर थे वो चले गए, चल बसी दुनिया से. तो उस चारों ने क्या किया ना, लंबरेज कर लिया। कैसे? देखो उसका कोई नहीं है वो, इसलिए लंबरेज कर लिया। ln here, ln here, ln. Okay, what is there? X square minus a square. What you have to write here? X minus a into what? X minus a into x plus a. So divide it. X minus a by x plus a. Just tell the reverse of this thing. What is that? It is a plus x into a minus x. This is a plus x by a minus x plus. What is this? This is x plus this. It is x plus this thing. This is x plus this thing. Repeatedly listen this thing. Okay, now I am writing this thing in one line. Now I collect this formula, writing in one place dx by x square plus a square, dx by x square minus a square, dx by a square minus x square plus a root over x square minus a square root over, dx by a square minus x square root over, dx by x into x square minus a square root over. Look at here. Either 1 by a or 1 by 2a will be there. Mind it. Which formula 1 by 2a? Where there is minus, no root over. There is 1 by 2a. Minus but no root over is 1 by 2a. Only root. Root thile put. Means 1 by a ki 1 by 2a. कोई भी नहीं होगा. तो स्पेशल दोनों केस है. x square plus a square. x into x square minus a square. इस बोथ स्पेशल केस में क्या रहेगा 1 by a. अच्छा, think as dx omit कर दो, integration omit कर दो, x square plus 1. It is derivative of tan inverse, so write it tan inverse x by a. X square minus 1 minus x square plus 1 root over, x square minus 1 root over. इसमें कोई किसी का डेरिवेटिव नहीं है. So all these places put ln. But here look. 1 by 1 minus x square root over, it is derivative of sine inverse. So write it sine inverse x by a. And here 1 by x into x square minus 1 root over, so put there sec inverse. Okay, sec inverse x by a. Here I am not writing c, you should write. Now look at this part. This is important, not that is. What is this? It is x square. It is what? dx. In my voice, it is जितना का स्क्वायर होगा प्लस a स्क्वायर डेरिवेटिव उतना होगा. तभी तो ये 1 by a tan inverse box by a होगा. जितना का स्क्वायर माइनस a स्क्वायर डेरिवेटिव उतना होना चाहिए. Then only you can put the formula, and that is 1 by 2a ln max minus a by max plus a. Like this. Here all formula, you have to remember this part. This is important. Take the screenshot of these 5 problems. Now tell me what I will do and which formula will it get. Now look at there. Look at there. It is what? Write one number as dx by 11 minus. What is 4x square? It is simply derivative. It is whose square is there? It is it is square of 2x, then put the root over. Now, according to my formula, it will come to this. This is the formula. Now look at whose derivative, whose square is that? Now 2x square. And you have to put the derivative here. Now tell me what is derivative of 2x? Simply it is what? 2. So put here 2 integrate 2 dx 11 minus 2x square root over. And simply you know it is 1 by 2 integration. 2 dx means derivative of what? It is derivative of 2x divided by 11 minus 2x square. Now you can put whatever. You can look at this. D Baxo by a square. A means what? Root 11. Root 11 square minus Baxo square. It is what? 1 by 2 It is sine inverse Baksa by A. Baksa means what? 2x by A. A means root 11 plus C. Okay. Now here whose square is this? It is naturally 2 square. And tell me which variable square is e to the power 6x? Whose square is e to the power 6x? Naturally it is e to the power 3x whole square. Now tell me what is derivative of e to the power 3x? If I will put t is equal to e to the power 3x, what is the derivative of e to the power 3x? It is e to the power 3x into 3. Means you have to write it here dx. Just you multiply 3, then divide 3. It becomes what? 1 by 3 e to the power 2x dx. Now put t is equal to e to the power 3x. Then dt is what? E to the power 3x. Derivative of 3x is 3. It is dx. It is 1 by 3 integration dt by 2 square minus t square. Whatever. It is 1 by 3. It is sine inverse t by 2 plus c. It is 1 by 3 sine inverse t means e to the power 3x by 2 plus c. Okay. Look at number 3. I am putting it 5 square. It is already a variable. Whose variable square? It is given ln extra square is given. So simply I have to put this formula again, Baksa square. But what is the derivative of that Baksa is not here? No, it is there. But you should look properly. Put t is equal to ln x. Then dt is what? 1 by x dx. Then you have to write what? 1 by x dx. You have to write dt by 5 square minus t square. Now tell me the formula. 5 square minus t square dt. It is sine inverse t by a. Means t by 5 plus c. It is sine inverse. What is the value of, in place of t you have to put what? ln x by 5 plus c. Okay. Now look at this problem. It is sine square theta. It is cos theta d theta. Simply it is putting on this formula. Here the variable is what? A square minus x square. Means you have to put t is equal to sine theta. So dt is equal to cos theta d theta. And it becomes dt by 4 square means 2 square minus t square root over. It is what? It is sine inverse t by 2. T by 2 plus c. That is sine inverse. T means what? Sine theta by 2 plus c. Similarly also you can do number 5. I am doing it. You should listen. It is what? 36 means 6 square. Whose square is x to the power 6? It is naturally x cube square. X cube square is what? X to the power 6. Now its derivative, x cube का derivative कितना होगा? 3x square. Write it here 3x square and divide it here 1 by 3. Now you can do by putting t is equal to x cube. Take the screenshot. I am doing here the number 5. Okay. Look at here. It is dx by 3x square plus 7. Look which formula you should put here. Now it is no root over and it is plus. So we have to apply this formula. What is that? It is first write the denominator. Whose square is this? Number 6. Whose square is this? It is root 3x whole square plus root 7 whole square. And its derivative is what? Its derivative is root 3. So write root 3 and divide 1 by root 3 dx. Now Baksa square plus a square. In place of this you have to put t is equal to root 3x. Then dt is equal to root 3 dx. And the integration becomes 1 by root 3 dt by t square plus what? A square. A square means what? Root 7 square. 1 by root 3. 1 by a means 1 by root 7 into tan inverse t by what? T by root 7 plus c. It is 1 by 21 root over tan inverse. What is t? Root 3x by root 7 plus c. Okay? The denominator is e to the power 8x. So take this. Whose square is e to the power 8x? It is naturally e to the power 4x square plus 4 means 2 square. What is the derivative of e to the power 4x? It is 4 e to the power 4x. Means e to the power 4x ka derivative e to the power 4x into derivative of 4x is 4. It is 1 by 4 dx. So what you have to write here? You can write directly. I am writing this. It is e to the power 4x square plus 2 square. It is derivative of e to the power 4x. So apply formula Baxter square plus a square d Baxter. It is 1 by a means 1 by 2 tan inverse Baxter by a. Baxter means e to the power 4x by 2 plus what? C. Okay. Here what we have to put? Box means what? Ln x square. So put here, put t is equal to ln x. What is dt? It is 1 by x dx. It becomes dt by t square plus 5 square. It is 1 by a tan inverse t by 5 plus c. It is 1 by a tan inverse. What is t? T means ln x. ln x by 5 plus c. Okay. Look at number 9. Here the denominator is sec square theta plus 4. So you have to put t is equal to sec theta. Its derivative is sec theta tan theta d theta. So it becomes dt by t square plus 2 square. It is the formula 1 is there, 1 by 2 tan inverse t by 2, and in place of t you have to put sec theta. It is x to the power 20. Look at the problem 10. It is x to the power 20. Now tell me whose square is x to the power 20? It is x to the power 10 square. And if you put x to the power 10, then already x to the power 9 whose derivative x to the power 10 ka derivative 10 x to the power 9. So just multiply 10 and divide 1 by 10. It becomes what? It becomes, if you multiply 10 and divide 10, 10 x to the power 9, you have to put what? dt. dt by t square plus 2 square. It is 1 by 10, 1 by a means 1 by 2 tan inverse t by 2 plus c. Okay? Look at this. Already 2 formula are gone. 5 problems from there, 5 problems from there. 1 to 5 and 6 to 10. Here 6 to 10. Here 1 to 5. Now look at which formula will applicable in this place. It is dx. This formula 1 to 5 and problem number 6 to 10, that formula is applied. Here look at what happens here. Here x whose square is 4x square. Naturally it is 2x square minus 9 means 3 square root over. Now look at which formula. Baxter square minus a square. Derivative of Baxter will be there. Derivative of Baxter. And another thing is there. Here it is variable. So which formula? Baxter square minus a square. Baxter square minus a square. So in place of this, here it should be 2x. So what will be there? In first you write 2x, then take 2x square, minus 3x minus 3 square, and it should be derivative of 2x. For derivative of 2x, you have to multiply what? Derivative of 2x is 2 dx. Multiply 2 dx. Now look, 2 cancel. It is in this form now. So put t is equal to 2x. dt is 2 dx. Now I am writing it as dt by t square minus 3 square. Answer is what? 1 by a. 1 by a means 1 by 3. Sec inverse t by a. T by a means 3 plus c. It is 1 by 3 sec inverse. In place of t, you have to put 2x by 3 plus. Okay. Now e to the power 4x. What I am writing here? E to the power 2x का whole square. तो according to my formula, इसका डेरिवेटिव e to the power 2x का डेरिवेटिव कितना है? 2e to the power 2x. Mind it, here e to the power 2x is a variable thing. So if its derivative is 2e to the power 2x, you have to multiply it. And if you multiply a thing, then you have to divide it. So divide it 1 by 2 e to the power 2x. Is it correct? Is it correct? Absolutely it is wrong. Why it is wrong? Tell me. Because here x is variable. Don't take the variable outside. So what you have to do here? So e to the power 2x square minus root 5 square. इसका रूट ओवर है. तो इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या है? टेल मी. इसका डेरिवेटिव कितना है? e to the power 2x का 2 e to the power 2x dx. Now tell me, as e to the power 2x is variable, you cannot put it outside, so keep it inside. But 2 is what? 2 is constant. You can write it here. Mind it, this is very important thing. You have to remember it. So put t e to the power 2x dt 2e to the power 2x dx, and it becomes what? It becomes 1 by 2. It is dt by t root over of t square minus root 5 square. Okay, then apply this formula. What is that? 1 by 2 is there previously. Now it is 1 by a. A means 1 by root 5. It is sec inverse. Box means what here? T by a. A means root 5 plus c. And put the value of t, that is e to the power 2x, in this place. You will get the answer. Now look at here. Inside the root over, whose square is this? There. It is ln x square. First, pause the video. Then, to yourself. After that, you should look. Okay? Now, ln x square. Put what you have to put? T is equal to x, because its derivative is 1 by x dx. And 1 by x dx, it is 1 by x. Don't think it is 1 by x dx. In that place, I have to write t. 1 by x dx. It is what? dt. Then it is what? t. Then it is t square minus 4. It is 2 square. Now look at this answer is 1 by a. 1 by 2 sec inverse t by 2 plus c. Sec inverse t by 2. T means what? ln x by 2 plus c. Have you matched your answer? Okay. Look at the number 14. It is sec theta d theta by sin theta root 3 tan square theta minus 1. Now I am going to solve this problem. No. Pause it. First you should do. Then observe what I am doing. Okay. Now look. what is whose square is that? It is root 3 tan theta whole square minus 1 root over. Okay, and what I am doing, look at here. इसका डेरिवेटिव कितना है? रूट 3 tan theta. It is root 3 sec square theta. But already sec theta is there. So just multiply root 3 sec theta. Sec theta d theta. I am multiplying root 3 sec theta to make the derivative of root 3 tan theta. If I will multiply root 3 sec theta, then I should divide. Now, as it is variable sec theta, so it should not go outside. I am writing everything in here. What is that? Root 3 sec theta into what? Sin theta. It is what? It is integration. Root 3 sec theta sec theta. I am writing root 3 sec square theta d theta by root 3 sec theta sin theta. Sec theta means what? 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta into sin theta. That is what? Root 3 tan theta. Root over of root 3 tan theta whole square minus 1. Okay, now you can put what? Put t is equal to root 3 tan theta. dt is root 3 sec square theta d theta. Now it is dt by t root over of t square minus 1 in this form. So answer is what? 1 by a. 1 by 1. It is 1 square. 1 by 1. I am not writing here. Sec inverse t by 1 plus c. And you should put the value of t root 3 tan theta in this place. Okay. And it is dx by x into x to the power 4, x to the power 14 minus b square whole root over. Okay, I am doing this problem. No, before going to solve this problem, I request you to pause it first. If you will do it by yourself, then you can do on the examination hall. And your mind power will improve. Don't look, then do. Don't do like this. First you do by yourself. After that you should check it, because you will be the master of integration in future. Okay. Now you do. Take the pause. I am doing it. It is now whose square is this? First I have to observe whose square is this? Whose square? It is x to the power 7 square minus b square, and its root over. And its derivative is what? Derivative of x to the power 7 is what? 7x to the power 6. And I am just multiply 7x to the power 6 dx. And this 7 is what? 7 is a constant. So can you do like this? 1 by 7x to the power 6. It is clearly wrong. You should not multiply and divide it outside, because x to the power 6 is the variable. So what you have to do? Put it 1 by 7 outside. Then you have to multiply what? 7x to the power 6. Then 7x to the power 6. 7 outside, x to the power 6 inside. जैसे तुम मंदिर में जाना है तो तुम्हारा जो चप्पल है वो कहाँ रहेगा? बाहर रहेगा, आउटसाइड रहेगा. इसलिए 7 को आउटसाइड करो, खुद तुम अंदर चले जाओ. x to the power 6. यहाँ कौन बैठा है? x. बाद में क्या होगा? x to the power 1 by 7, 7x to the power 6 by x to the power 7, x to the power 7 square minus b square. Now in place of 7x to the power 6 dx, you can write it as derivative of x to the power 7. Okay, now it becomes what? You can put or you cannot put. That is not matter. It is in this form d box square minus a square. This 1 by a means 1 by a. A is what? B. 1 by 7 is previously there. It is tan inverse. Sorry. It is sec inverse. What by what? X to the power 7 by b. And it becomes 1 by 7b sec inverse x to the power 7 by b plus. Okay? Look at this problem first. See 1, 2 problems. It is dx by 3x square plus 4 root over. It is what? It is 3x square. Whose square is 3x square? It is root 3x whole square plus 2 square. What is the derivative of root 3x? It is, you have to write, the variable is root 3x. Its derivative is what? Root 3. So multiply root 3. Then divide root 3. It is 1 by root 3. Now put t is equal to root 3x. dt is equal to root 3 dx. It is what? 1 by root 3 integration root 3 dx. It is dt by, it is what? T square plus 2 square root over. I am taking the root over here. It is here root over. So whose formula? Here it is which formula? It is the Bakso, d Bakso by Bakso square plus a square. It is 1 by root 3. ln Bakso means t plus Bakso square plus a square. T square plus 2 square plus c. Then after that you should put the value of t. Okay. Now in the denominator it is 3 e to the power 2x. It is the whole square of root 3 e to the power x. Its derivative is what? Is root 3 e to the power x dx. So taking 3 t is equal to root 3 e to the power x. Its derivative is root 3 e to the power x dx. Now what we have to do? We have to divide root 3 and multiply root 3. So root 3 to the power x dx is what? 4 by root 3. It is what? It is dt by what? T square plus 2 square root over. It is what? 4 by root 3 ln. What is this formula? T square plus a square root over. It is ln box plus. Box means t plus t square plus 4. Put the value of t in its place. Okay. This problem, don't think it is looking like this form. After putting t is equal to ln x, you should observe which form is that. Put t is equal to ln x, dt 1 by x dx. 1 by x dx is dt. It is t square plus 8. Initially it is looking like this. It is minus, it is plus. There is one difference. But still then, when you put t is equal to ln x, it will convert to this form, which is here. And I am doing the problem, I am doing the using formula this. And I am getting, after putting the value of t, you get the answer. Now look at this problem. It is cot square theta. रूट ओवर का अंदर में जो वेरिएबल है वो किसका स्क्वायर है? cot theta का स्क्वायर है. So तुमको यहाँ पुट करना पड़ेगा t is equal to cot theta. Then dt is what? Is minus cosec square theta d theta. It is 1 by sin square theta d theta means cosec square theta d theta is minus dt by what? T square plus 2 root over. It is minus ln t plus t square plus 2 plus c. After putting the value, you can get the answer. Okay, next look at here. Next number 20. Now look at this number 20. Whose square is this? It is naturally x cube square. and its derivative is 3x square dx. So in place of x square dx, what we have to do, we have to divide 1 by 3, then multiply 3x square dx. It becomes dt, and the denominator is t square plus a to the power 6 root over. It is what? ln t plus t square plus a to the power 6, and you will put the value of t in this place. Okay, every time you have to write the c, and I am doing this using this formula. I am doing number 15, 16 to 20. Okay, 1 by sorry, I am not I escaped 1 by 3 will be there, you have to write. Okay, now look at number 21. It is dx by 4x square. If it is 4x, whose square is this? It is 2x whole square minus 6 root over. And you have to put t is equal to e to the power 2, sorry, t is equal to 2x, because put t is equal to what? 2x. dt is equal to 2 dx. It becomes 2 dx. So you have to multiply 2, and you have to write what? dt by t square minus 6 root over is equal to 1 by 2. Whose formula is this? It is here. It is ln t plus t square minus 6, and you have to put the value of t in its place. Okay, and 22, 23, these are very, very easy questions. You have to do by yourself by putting here what? T is equal to e to the power 5x, and here putting t is equal to ln x, you will get its derivative 1 by x dx. You can verify, your answer will be here like this. Okay, here it is whose square is here? It is cosec theta का square है. Cosec theta का derivative कितना है? Cosec theta into cot theta. Where you will get cosec theta and cot theta? Just simply look at here. I am writing it, dividing it sin square theta in numerator and denominator. You will get 1 by sin into cos theta by sin theta by into d theta. I am dividing sin square theta in numerator and denominator. When I am dividing it sin square theta denominator, I am getting this. Okay, it is what? Cosec theta. It is cot theta. D theta. It is cosec theta whole square minus 2 square. So put what? Put t is equal to cosec theta. dt is equal to what? Derivative of cosec theta is what? Minus cosec theta into cot theta. Minus cosec theta cot theta d theta. And its answer is what? It is equal to minus dt by t square minus 2 square. It is what? Minus. What is the answer? dt by t square minus t. Here it is minus ln t plus t square minus 2 square root over, putting the value of t. And what is this? Look at this problem number 25. Now look at this problem. It is root x and it is x. What you have to do? You have to put root x square. Root x whole square minus a square. It is root x. Take t is equal to root x. dt is equal to 1 by 2 root x dx. Okay. Now I am multiplying 1 by 2. I am just multiplying 2 here. Then 2 here. It becomes what? 2 dx. Dx is 1 by 1. It is you just multiply 2 here. Now 1 by 2 root x dx. 1 by 2 root x dx. In this place, what you have to put? You have to put dt. So it becomes 2 dt by t square minus a square. And the formula 2 ln t plus t square minus a square root over. It is 2 ln. In place of t, you have to put root x plus x minus a the whole square minus a square root over. Okay? My dear students, you should listen my one line word. First you should do by your own trial. Then after that taking a pause and look my answers. Don't directly read my answers. It will not help you at the time of exam. Okay? Till then, bye bye.